Open up the letter, pop. Saw school, come on, turn it up.
Start with week on the wards and the year begins. We ain't done this before, well then come on in. Now 110 is our home, ready for learning. Put yourself to the test and post slamming. Sometimes you gotta stay in, cause I don't know where that is. We dissect days on end. Fascia's a nerve for the win. Welcome to Emory. Baby, get your envy. Church war, sports, and Ely. Not your friends or family. Welcome to Emory. Only costs a small fee, but comes with a cookie. Can't wait to be an Emory. Welcome to Emory. Welcome to Emory.
Third year comes and you think that you're prepped for the day. Attending camps and you don't know what to say. So I'm done with my notes, can I help some way? Well, I don't need your help, but feel free to stay. Sometimes you gotta pretend that you like GYN or wanna be a surgeon until that eval's in. Welcome to Emory. Both arms check the BP. Probably failed that OSCE. Will you watch my HMP? Welcome to Emory, where your grades at Grady. Midnight snack at Henry's. Did I fail my PPD? Welcome to Emory. Welcome to Emory.
Welcome to the top of the school. Now time has passed. When the patient be like, yo, I'm hurting bad. Well, there's an elevated trope on your lap. Soon as I drop the monoquad, he's off to cap. VHO, Midtown, Maine. Donde esta to Dolores, Spanish, holding me back. I got my shot at research, they think I know my stats. It's discovery, just relax.
Welcome to fourth year. ERAS now controls me. Flying across the country, bank account be empty. Welcome to fourth year. Counting down to MASH day. Get that long white coat made. Add the MD to my name. Welcome to Emory. Welcome to Emory.
Welcome to Emory. It's our house.